Making ice cream sandwiches. Hey everybody, it's me, Sheen. And you know what? You're just in time because you're in for a special treat. I'm excited too because we are making ice cream sandwiches. Are you ready to make some ice cream sandwiches? Awesome, because all you need is some cookies and get some ice cream. So, y'all ready? Great, come on. Okay everybody, now all we need to get is 2 cookies. And oh, you got it right here. Place it flat like that, or you can do it either side, anywhere you want. And now to get some ice cream. Okay, so now you just get your cookie and put on your chocolate, vanilla, strawberry, whatever ice cream you got. Just place it on there. Okay. What's your favorite flavored ice cream? Cool. Okay, and now get your other cookie and slap it on. And you can put toppings on if you want to. And voila! Look at that. Now you got a nice ice cream sandwich. Yep, yeah, you do. Just take a bite. What do you think? Oh, good, huh? Nice. Hey, want to do it again? Awesome. Okay, I'll get 2 cookies. Okay, here's your 2 cookies. Well, all you can do is you don't have to place it on the table. You can place it on your hand if you want to. And once again, slap some ice cream on it, like that. Careful not to drop it. And place your other cookie. Oops. And there you go. Look at that. You got your ice cream sandwich. Oops. Pretty cool, huh? Now we got some cool ice cream sandwiches. Very good, huh? So you can get some cookies and get your whatever ice cream is your favorite, and just put on the cookies. Look at that, huh? Cool. Good, huh? Nice. Well, I hope you enjoy this, and I did too. Yes, once again, sorry I didn't plan out something last time because I didn't have anything planned out. But I'm glad we did something today. So, well, thanks for joining in, and maybe next time we'll find something fun. So, we'll find something next week. So, see you next time, everybody. Be free to visit my website anytime for more fun with me, Sheen Rebits.